Flip mode, flip mode, flip mode, flip mode. Let's go, let's go. I can damn feel it, yeah. I can damn feel it. Flip mode.
I am gonna be doing an unboxing video with you guys. This is like part, I want to say it's part of my early birthday present. My birthday is in June, so I told myself 2018, since I'm turning 30, I'm splurging on myself this year. Anything I want, I'm buying. And yeah, so I brought two things today that I had to pick up in Roosevelt Field, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys so you can see. What should we start with? Should we start with the Louboutins or should we start with the Louis bag? This is the box, the bag that it came in. This bag is freaking huge. Like, let me just give you guys an understanding of how big this thing is. Like, it was a freaking struggle. Too big. So this is how it came. So I've had my eye on this bag for at least a year. I've had my eye on this bag, that I've been wanting it, and I was like, should I get it? Should I get it? I was like, you know what, I'm turning 30 next year. I'm gonna just save it for my birthday present. I'm gonna just get it, because next year I'm getting whatever I want. So I got it. I had this shipped to Roosevelt Field. The regular store in Roosevelt Field, the Louis store, they didn't have it in stock, so I ordered it online. And if you go to Macy's in Roosevelt Field, they don't do store pickup. So I had this bag shipped to Neiman Marcus because they do store pickup there. I picked it up today. It took like maybe 2 days to be delivered. It was really quick. So I'm gonna show you guys. I feel like, oh, okay, that's probably why. I feel like they could have packaged my box a lot better. Because firstly, I told them that I wanted my bag stuffed, right? Because if you know anything about Louis Vuitton Speedies or the Keepalls, they come packaged flat, so they already have creases and everything. I spoke to the lady and I was like, yes, I want my bag stuffed prior to delivery so that I can pick it up and at least some of the creases would be out. So as you can see, the bag is not stuffed, but that's okay. When I saw the lady take it, I was like, oh, it's not stuffed. It was supposed to be stuffed. So firstly, before I show you the bag, it came with the little Louis Vuitton little keepsake information tag there. I guess this is for, like, maybe if it was a gift or something, I guess they would write a little keepsake note there. That's cute. From me to me. That's cute. Okay, so. And then this envelope here. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, so here we have all of our, oh, this is really cute. So here it says, that's all that is. Here it says, Louis Vuitton, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton with exclusive materials. Please visit us again either online or at louisvuitton.com. Okay, so that's their little card. Now, this is also a return voucher. I feel like I didn't get the Louis Vuitton experience. Like, what happened? They didn't give me, I didn't get a glass of champagne. Like, I didn't get the blue ribbon on my box. But it's okay. It's okay. So this is basically like your information bag, I guess. The box was too big for them to put the blue ribbon because it's kind of like popping open, as you can see. So this is the box, and it's a magnetic strip here. Now, if the bag would have came pre-stuffed as I requested the bag to be, it would have been in a different dust bag. It would have been in a kind of like, it's kind of like I don't know how to describe it, but the dust bag is different. Then they put the blue ribbon inside the box. Okay, so this is the signature Louis Vuitton dust bag. I really wanted my bag pre-stuffed, but it's okay. So I went to the store, I picked up the bag. You know, I went in the store, I picked up the bag, I told her, you know, I'm here to pick up my package. I got a confirmation email that it was available. She asked for my ID and she asked to see the confirmation email. So this is my bag. This is a Keepall 45. Now this bag comes in measurements of 45, 55, 60, I believe there's maybe a 40, I don't know, but 45 was ideal for me because of the size. Like, I feel like I could use this on a regular basis. Let me show you guys the details. So it's absolutely beautiful. This print is called the Macassar. Don't kill me if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I believe it's called the Macassar print, monogram Macassar. And I wanted this one because of the silver accent. I really love the silver. Like, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Silver accents. It's just gorgeous. You have the Louis LVs on the zippers, so cute. You have the luggage tag, and I'm gonna get this hot stamped. They can hot stamp these for you for free, but the lady told me that it would be an overnight thing, and I didn't want to leave my bag overnight. So, nor did I have intentions of coming back there like tomorrow to pick up my bag. So I was just like, okay, I'll come back another time. It's not that serious. But I am gonna get this hot stamped, and you can put 3 letters or you can put just 2 initials. Everyone calls me Nye, so I'm just gonna put NYEE for short. NYE for short, because that's like my nickname anyway. So you're gonna open that up. So there. So you have the signature nice brown burgundy interior. Now the Keepall is just basically an open duffel bag. This bag is like, I've been wanting this bag for so long, like so long. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it when there's a meaningful time for me to get it. These straps here, this little thing is meant to keep your straps up so that you could keep it up. It doesn't have that many creases like I thought it would have, so I'm not that mad, but I am gonna have to pre-stuff. I'm gonna have to stuff it in. So you have this little thing, coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, which I will never use probably because I'm scared of like losing them and locking my own bag. This is the bandolier version, and basically what that means is that you are purchasing the bag to come with a strap. I was a little torn in between spending the extra money for the bandolier or just getting it as a handbag like that, but I feel like this bag is fully stuffed. I'm gonna want a bandolier, and I'm gonna be mad if I didn't get it, so that's why I chose this bag. So this is the bandolier, Keepall 45. See, I think it's perfect for my size. I just stuffed it with a pillow just so you guys could get an understanding of how it looks. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 adjustable straps, so you could put it like this, which I think is such a great look. It looks so good. I didn't want to get it any bigger. Like, this size is absolutely perfect, just so you guys can get a good look at that. Where it sits on the body, how big it is. And you can also put it like this, across. See how that looks. So yeah. So this is an investment. This particular one, you can wear it in the rain. It's not going to get damaged. You can pretty much do anything with it. And the reason why I chose this one with the silver accents is because I have had the Damier Ebene and the Speedy. To me, the gold accents, when it oxidizes, I'm not really into that, how everything kind of gets brassy. So I wanted to go with the silver because I intend on having this bag for years and like passed down generations. So I wanted the silver accents. I don't mind the Damier Ebene on a smaller bag, but with so much, you know, gold, it would just really bother me. So yeah, this is it. So this is an unboxing of my Louboutins. So just a close-up look on the box. I got these from Neiman Marcus in Roosevelt Field. It's a very sturdy, stern box. So I'll just tell you, these are the Socates patent leather. So right when you take them out, you have your Louboutin duffel bag, this little bag. I don't even know what's in here. I think it's extra heels. I figured that's what it was. So they give you 2 pairs of extra little taps, and it comes in this cute little bag. Cute little bag. And then you have your signature Louboutin dust bag, which is imperative when you're traveling so you don't mess up your shoes. Alright. I went to Neiman Marcus, I want to say last month. I went and I tried on the shoes because I was going to order them online. And I didn't know what size I would wear because some people say you should get a bigger size. Some people say you want to get your size because they stretch. So I was just a little conflicted. So I went to the store, tried them on. First time I tried them on, I was like, how am I going to walk in these? This is insane. Some reason, but I was like adamant about getting them. Like whether I could walk in them or not, like it didn't matter to me. If you're a shoe lover, you know, right? So I saw the shoes. Okay, so I've heard all the talk about Louboutins, but I've never actually tried them on. When I went to the store and I tried them on, I immediately fell in love with this shoe. This is the Socate, right? I couldn't decide between getting the Socates or the Pagals. Now the Pagals are way more comfortable because the heel is obviously way smaller. It's more of a relaxed heel. This is 120, so this is like extremely high. When you wear these, the instep is basically you're on your tippy toes with these, right? For some reason, when I tried them on today, they actually felt comfortable. I don't know if it's because I was excited about purchasing them or if they were really feeling comfortable, but yeah, so you can take a closer look at them. These are the 120 Socates. Beautiful shoe. Like, I could literally just lick this shoe. That's how sexy it is to me. So you have your signature Christian Louboutin inside. Very nice, very nice, very very, I mean, these shoes are quality made. You can tell, you can feel it. And the bottom, I mean, stunning. They're absolutely stunning. Now, I purchased Protect Your Pumps, and I don't understand like why it hasn't shipped to my house as of yet, because I saw online Protect Your Pumps is going out of business. I think it says they're leaving. The site says they're closing, so they're shutting down, and they have like this big sale going on. But I'm like, I ordered my products way before this happened, so I don't understand. I purchased a 3-pack. Was $30 because I had it on a discount, and yeah, like I should have my stuff by now. So I'm gonna purchase, if they don't come, I'm gonna get sole guards. I believe it's called sole, like the sole of your foot, sole guards, and it's basically the same thing to put on that, because she will not be walking around without her soles protected. So yeah, and then you see it has the engraved Christian Louboutin at the bottom. These are a size 38, which is the equivalent of a size 8 US. So yeah, I'm normally a 7.5 to 8, it varies. So in these Socates, I got an 8 just to give me enough space. They felt comfortable to me, so basically sums up my purchase for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and if you guys want to see outfits that I'll be wearing with these shoes and my bag, let me know and I'll do a look thingy for you guys if you're interested. But yeah, thank you for watching. Follow me on social media at Naisha Thomas _ yeah, so we can stay connected. All right, love you guys. Remember, it's your year, it's your time to prosper, it's your time, this is your season, this is your day. You guys stay blessed. Bye.
Flip mode, flip mode, flip mode, flip mode. Let's go, let's go. I can feel it, yeah. I can feel it.